Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, November the 25th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, the Killer Sudoku, and the binary puzzle. So now it's time for the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, number 7510. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle. Do not know, maybe 2 stars. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Cannot see any single boxes in this puzzle. Wow. Dual boxes then. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. I need more information. Insufficient information right now. So let me mark those 1 and 2 here. So 1 and 2. Oh, overlook this single box. Yeah, single box is always a 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, we have 3 there, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, it can be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Should be a 4 now. Okay. Then, next question, do we have here triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, we have a quadra box here. The 1 is already given. So the 2, the 3, and the 4 are missing. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here we have another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Well, this box can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. And the 4 goes there. More quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, we have here another one, but upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. It's mirrored, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Nope. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Another one here, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then these 3 boxes around the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box should be also 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Alright. Okay. And now. Well. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. Then this box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or there, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So only 1 box left in this area for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then. Well. I think. This box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And let me see. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Well, let me mark this. Is connected with that box should be so 4 and a 5, but we already have a 5 here in the same area. Can be 5 anymore, should be a 4, is connected with that box should be so 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5, 1 box left in this area for number 3. We go up. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this trip box should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 3 to 5. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow with the other puzzles in the additional and the summarize Sudoku in the evening. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday. See you then. Bye-bye.